If you're a thrill seeker, you need to experience the Niagara jet boat ride. Imagine speeding through the rapids with breathtaking views of the iconic Maid of the Mist. Join me as I take on the ultimate adventure of a lifetime, a thrilling jet boat ride through Niagara Falls, complete with the iconic Maid of the Mist views. Did you know these jet boats can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour? That's fast enough to get your adrenaline pumping while you soak in the stunning scenery. Finding a way to combine the thrill of jet boating with the majestic views of Niagara Falls can be tricky. But guess what? This ride does it all. Picture this, adrenaline-pumping twists and turns, the roar of the rapids, and the breathtaking sight of the falls all around you. It's not just a ride, it's an experience you won't forget. And the best part? That unforgettable moment when you get up close and personal with the falls on a high-speed turn. The spray, the speed, the view, it's pure exhilaration. So if you crave adventure and stunning scenery, this is the ride for you. Don't just visit Niagara Falls, feel it. Have you braved the Niagara jet boat ride? Share your story in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling travel adventures.